One of Wex's favorite things to eat is curry puffs, and this is actually really common in Singapore. But my favorite kind is actually the kind with a really flaky pastry that looks like a seashell when deep fried.
We start by making the filling so it has time to cool down. To make the filling, you need onion, garlic, chili padi, and some curry leaves.
Some diced chicken that I marinated in curry powder. We also have some potatoes that I've peeled and diced and soaked in water. And some coconut cream. You start by frying the onions in a pan with some oil. Then you just snip in some chili padi. Add the garlic and the curry leaves. And the chicken. You want to break up the chicken so it doesn't form clumps in the pan. Drain the potatoes and add that to the pan as well. When everything is nice and fragrant, you can add some coconut cream. And a little bit more curry powder just for color. Add some water to the pan to help the potatoes cook through, and just let that cook until most of the moisture has evaporated. Now you can sprinkle in some flour to help everything bind together. Season the mixture with salt and sugar and just transfer to a tray to help it cool down. While the mixture cools, cook and peel some hard-boiled eggs. So now's the time to prepare the dough. There are actually two doughs. One is a water-based dough and the other one is an oily kind of dough. So this one that you see here is a water-based dough. It does have a small proportion of hot ghee, or you can use hot oil, but most of it is made up of water. So what you do is rub the ghee into the flour and then just add enough water to bind everything into a dough. This is the second dough, the oil-based dough. I'm using lard, even though most recipes call for margarine because I feel that it's better for you. So now take a piece of water dough, flatten it, and use it to envelope a piece of oil dough completely. Flatten the ball of dough and roll it out into a long oval. So now we're rolling up the piece of dough like a Swiss roll, and what we're doing is actually lamination. This means that we're creating layers of oily dough and watery dough, and so what this will give us is a really flaky texture. So it's very similar to croissant making.